My Forever Smile journey started like this. I want to feel confident again, to smile without hesitation, and to enjoy meals.
Our patient came to us frustrated and fatigued by her loose and wobbly dentures. Despite her best efforts, they simply didn't provide the stability or confidence she needed for eating, speaking, and smiling.
I was so frustrated with my dentures. Eating, smiling, and even talking have become difficult and at times embarrassing.
The use of advanced diagnostic tools such as panoramic X-rays, CBCT scans, clinical photos, and iTero scans is critical. Each of these tools serves a unique and complementary purpose, ensuring a comprehensive evaluation and precise treatment plan. The iTero scanner captures highly accurate digital impressions of the dental arches, eliminating the need for traditional molds that can be uncomfortable for patients. Preview bridges the gap between imagination and reality by offering a realistic, personalized simulation of their future smile. By seeing a visual representation of their new teeth, patients gain confidence in their decision to proceed with treatment, fostering trust and enthusiasm.
With the Forever Smile implants, I know I'll finally have the beautiful functional smile I've been dreaming of, and that means everything to me.
Unlike a panoramic X-ray, the CBCT scan provides three-dimensional imaging, enabling a detailed assessment of the patient's bone structure, nerve pathways, and sinus cavities. Our CAD software represents the pinnacle of dental innovation. By utilizing this advanced tool, our lab technicians merge technical precision with artistic vision, ensuring every smile is uniquely designed for the individual.
I feel really good about my temporary placements. They've given me a glimpse of what my final smile will look like, and it's so exciting to see the transformation already starting.
The milling process ensures that each tooth is sculpted with incredible precision. Once milled, the prosthesis undergoes a baking process in specialized ovens to enhance its strength and longevity. If crafted from materials like zirconia, it is sintered at extremely high temperatures, creating a product that mimics the natural strength and translucency of real teeth. The final step is integrating the implants into the bridge to ensure stability and functionality. Implant abutments are secured into the prosthesis with precision, creating a seamless connection between the implants and the bridge. Each implant is placed to align perfectly with the predetermined surgical plan, guaranteeing a stable, comfortable, and durable fit. The delivery of a forever smile is conducted with the utmost care, ensuring it feels as special as the transformation itself. The prosthesis is presented in a custom, secure packaging that reflects the high level of craftsmanship and care that went into its creation. The Forever Smile is carefully placed and adjusted by the provider, ensuring a seamless fit. Patients are guided through the process of understanding how their new smile feels and functions, offering reassurance and confidence. After the surgical placement of implants, a post-operative imaging protocol is followed to ensure optimal outcomes and patient safety.
It's clear that you truly care about your patients and their well-being, and that gave me the trust and confidence to move forward with this life-changing procedure. Seeing the incredible results from other patients and knowing that you use the latest technology reassured me that I'm in the best hands.
Great, too.
Yeah, it is. Every day I go to work. Not like every day I come to work, at least 10. Like, sometimes I don't want to smile anymore. I just like, first thing they see is my teeth. They're so white. They're perfect.
They are perfect. We'll get to 26 questions.